When shopping for marble runs, it can be difficult to know which sets are compatible or what size marbles they will accept. Hi, I'm Adam from Marble Builds, and today we will briefly talk to you about 3 categories of marble runs and which sets are compatible. Time steps for each category can be found in the description below, along with links where you can buy any sets we discuss in this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new content. Oh, and one more thing. This is not a review video, so we will not give our opinion on what you should and shouldn't buy, only what is compatible with what.
In this first category, we will focus on what is most commonly thought of when we say marble run. First introduced by Tom Karen for Oakley Design and sold by Kittycraft, this classic design is the most prevalent one on the market today. As such, the majority kits sold using this design are compatible with each other. These include Marbulous, Galt, Marble Genius, Mindware, Marble Madness, Marble Galaxy, Meland, Magic Journey, EduShape, and U-Cradle, to name a few. These sets are compatible, and all these sets work with a standard glass marble, which is just over 1/2 inch in size. This is good news for anyone looking to get into the hobby, as you can shop and compare these sets without having to worry about being locked into one brand. Now there are sets that look similar to these, but are not compatible. For example, Discover Toys Marble Works looks the same, but are actually smaller and thus not compatible. The second category we will discuss is a brand all of its own, Quercetti. Quercetti has a number of Marble Run toys in their catalog, but we will focus on 2, Magoga and Skyrails. Magoga takes its inspiration from the same Tom Karen designed marble runs we listed in the previous section of this video. However, these sets are smaller and do not share the same connection as any other marble run, and as such are only compatible with other Magoga sets. Another important note is Magoga sets use smaller marbles, and standard glass marbles will not work in these sets. Quercetti's more advanced set is called Skyrails. Like Magoga, Skyrails is only compatible with other Quercetti Skyrails kits, so you are locked into the brand, but there are a lot of different kits to explore. Skyrails most resembles a roller coaster or train track when set up, which may appeal to some. These kits come with larger than standard size marbles, but standard glass marbles also work, which is a bonus. Speaking of roller coaster, Quercetti sells a roller coaster set that is Skyrails, so don't let the different name fool you. These roller coaster kits are the only kits that come with the track clamps that allow you to make loops with Skyrails, such as the ones we show in this video. The track clamps that come in other Skyrail kits are not designed to hold the track under the tension created when bending several track pieces into a loop. Quercetti has also teamed up with the Marble Master himself, Yele, and created a new Marble League set that includes start and finish lines for marble races as well as curved track pieces for easy loop creation. This new set is compatible with all other Skyrail sets. There is one Skyrail set that is not compatible with other Skyrail sets, and that is the Skyrail Wall set, which is only compatible with itself. The final category we will look at are what I'm calling the Duplo sets. This is because they are compatible with the Duplo building blocks from LEGO, not to be confused with the standard LEGO building blocks. There are several in this category and all are compatible with each other. This includes Hubelino and the Hubelino Pi sets, Clobro's Marble Run building blocks, Temi, Ranfix, Funny Blocks, and Koumoksa. These sets usually come with their own larger marbles, but standard glass marbles work as well. The great thing with the Duplo style sets is that you can use any LEGO Duplo blocks you already may own, extending the life of that toy at the same time as you start building your own Marble Run collection.
There are a lot of marble runs out there, and several we didn't cover today, but I hope you still found this video helpful. If you have a favorite marble run set, tell us about it in the comments below. No matter which style of marble run you go with, a classic marble run like Galt's or one of the mini Quercetti sets, or a Duplo style set, you are guaranteed hours of fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.